Woo! Hey everybody, this is the OG, the Ric Flair of crypto, coming to you live from Vietnam. It's a great time to be alive, and we've got some really positive news out there. If we look at the heat map in the house, it looks like BTC is trying to reclaim the $38,000 level. Excuse me, but 39,000 definitely could be coming in. So the OG is overshooting and over wishful at this current time. But if we take a look at Ethereum is on fire right now. Ethereum is looking good, and we could be breaking past $2,900 soon, guys and gals. I know that a lot of you get irritated when I always say guys. So excuse the OG. Stop whinging, stop whining. When I mean guys, I mean people. I mean mankind, and that could even include aliens. So just keep that in mind. So overall, we're looking pretty good. And if we look at the pre-markets in the house right now, the pre-markets are mixed right now. We're seeing the S&P is up, and we're seeing that the Nasdaq is up as well. So that is looking not too shabby in the house. But we got the Dow futures are looking negative, Nancy, in the holes. But we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin could be forming a head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour chart, which is kind of bearish in the house. So we just have to keep an eye on that. But if we look at the daily time frame, that's also looking pretty good. So we're going to jump into that TA in a second. We've also got some Billy Marcus news in the house. The Dogecoin dev in the house, guys. We're going to talk about him, and that's going to be interesting. I think you guys are going to get a little bit of a chuckle, ha ha ha, in the house. And do not forget to go back and watch all of my previous videos, guys. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. And do comment. Do absolutely comment in the house, guys. You're going to love it. And go check out the Dogecoin migration video that just released about 2 hours ago, and I really talk about the migration of the Wozer to the proof of stake. And also we talk about Libre Doge, which is coming out from Doge, and this is the Libre Doge is actually going to be the token that's going to be used for play to earn on the Dogecoin blockchain, guys. So that is coming out, and Vitalik Buterin, the Vitalik in the house, who's going to be creating that Ethereum bridge, is also part of that. So that is pretty good. So if you look at the Wozer price right now, we see the Doge is trading at $13.94, and that's just gingerly shy of 14 cents. So we're just kind of going midway in this channel between 15 cents and 13 cent support. So I'm not worried right now, because you can see that Doge is just kind of like meandering along, and I'm not too worried about that. So this is a pretty good catalyst in the house, because Doge is not breaking down, Doge is not breaking the upside, just going sideways. So I think we're going to see some huge momentum and catalyst coming out for Doge soon, because don't forget, we got the Doge 1, we got the Doge Cube, and we also got the migration that's going to be happening for the Doge blockchain to migrate from proof of work to proof of stake. So when that happens, that's going to be good, and that should take the Doge coin up higher and higher. And then don't forget, we got the Ethereum bridge that Vitalik is working on as well. So it looks like let me get back to this big news in the house. So it looks like Billy Marcus in the house, Dogecoin creator, sends his personal NFT collection to OpenSea.io. So that is cool beans, guys. So the Dreaming Doge NFT collection for sale. So according to page OpenSea, the address of which was shared by Billy Marcus on his tweet, looks like he's got eight items for sale right now. So the last 3 dream types of my Dreaming Doge NFTs have been released, 8 of which each type with 88 total editions in the collection, guys. So if you're interested in doing that, go over and go to OpenSea.io collection Dreaming Doge and check that out, guys. And if also you want to check out some other NFTs, you can go and check out the OG NFT collection, and that's as OpenSea.io Asian Beauty in the house, guys. Go check that out, and that's a huge NFT collection. You're gonna love it. I love it, guys, and it's a beautiful collection. So go check it out, guys. Go check that out. What are you waiting for? Get it. So let's take a look at some Bitcoin news. So Bitcoin shows signs of upside reversal, historical data suggests. So we're seeing some data out coming right now that we're seeing It was something that caught my eye, and we're seeing the RSI trend broke just like summer 2021. So you can see that if we look at summer 2021, and that's before we had that big surge to the upside when we hit the all-time high, we're seeing that the RSI has just been broken, because remember we had this whole Debbie Downer event, here, and we went up, and then we went down, down, and we continued going down, and then around about end of July, August, we kind of broke the upside when this RSI broker. Get your words right, OG. Come on, wake up. Get some coffee. So it's getting pretty late night here in Vietnam. Remember, this video is not financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing his education, is expressing his opinion. This video is for education, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor, but we're seeing that the RSI is looks like we could break out to the upside RSI wise, and if that follows the same pattern as before, then this could give more evidence of a bullish reversal pattern coming in. So I'm pretty excited about that. Looks like the new chair of Russian Congress Trade Committee, Bitcoin's progress should not be stopped. So it looks like Russia is kind of changing its tune, and it looks like they're going to be embracing the biddy, my biddy in Moscow. So it looks like the Bolsheviks are going to be loving the Bitcoin, guys. So this is from Matt Cheng in the house. Good sign so far. This is the first time we've got rejection with no follow through on the 1 day. So as you can see here, in January, we had this rejection, then we had a follow through to the downside. Down, down. So here we had also a rejection here on the 1st of February, but we didn't get a downward follow through. We've actually gotten a upward momentum. So that could be very good. And we could be seeing my Bitcoin making some moves to the upside, guys. So if we take a look at Bitcoin right now on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing that this is a shoulder, this is a head. Could we be forming another shoulder? And if so, that is often kind of bearish in the house, guys. Get out of there, bear. Anger bears. But if we look at the daily chart right now, we're still looking okay on the daily chart. We got this parallel channel line I've been talking about for weeks, and it's acting as support. We haven't broke down from that at all, so that is looking okay. And Bitcoin is trading at 37,976. It's just gingerly shy of 38,000, and then the next resistance level that we need to blow past is going to be around about 48,000 in the house. So that's around about there. Come on, guys, get it. Yes. So around about there. I'm holding my breath. Yeah, around about there. So that's our next resistance level, and if we can do that, then that's going to be huge, and that will confirm an upside breakout for the Bitcoin. So right now we're seeing on the weekly, we're seeing that the purple trend line is holding, so that's holding pretty good. So as long as we stay above that, it means the downward selling pressure is going to be reduced and the momentum will stop. And we need to get back into this horizontal the resistance line. I mean, it was support before, but we broke down, so it's become resistance. And when you have a huge support line that turns into resistance, that can often be really kind of a brick wall to break through. But we have attempted it on a couple of occasions. We attempted it here, and we're trying to knock that out right now. But we're seeing the volumes a little bit light as well. The white line, in case you're just tuning in and you're just new to the channel, is the minor capitulation demarcation line, the DMZ there. And what that means is, quite frankly, the cost to mine one Bitcoin is about $21,000. So if Bitcoin starts approaching that capitulation line, or the DMZ, then you will see the miners selling like crazy. And every time the miners dump their Bitcoin, that is a scary cascading dump. And if that happens, we could see easily Bitcoin going down, $15,000, $10,000 in the house, guys. Keep in mind that Bitcoin is very cyclical, and it goes through these cycles. So, if we can stay above that minor capitulation line, then we do have an opportunity to go up to the upside, guys. So that is okay, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen. I know that I keep saying guys, it's driving you crazy, but I don't care because that's what the OG does. It's my habit, and I love it. I love it. And I love my peeps. I love my community. And I just want to say God bless to each and every one of you. I want to give big shout out there to Bonsai in the house, Jamie 360 in the house, Quinn Tong in the house, Nick Ann in the house, Dan the man in the house, Upper Hand, yeah, Graham in the house from my last video, and all those beautiful people that gave the super chat, David Ricine in the house, Dickus Bear in the house, and do remember to give super chats because all the proceeds go to charity. Do go and watch my charity video, and I think that charity video can be found right here. And where is it? Where is this one? Go back here. This is a beautiful video. Go back. This is where we give back to the community, show some love, and this is all about Doge doing good every day, guys. So go back and watch this video. You're gonna love it. I love it. You're gonna love it, guys, and it's a real tearjerker. So get your tissues ready. So right now, if we take a look at the leverage apes, the apes in the house, the apes. We're seeing that about $127 million worth of wreckage. So that's not too bad. I mean, it's not crazy. We got these CME futures that are expiring in about an hour or so on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So the kind of interesting phenomenon here, if we look at the symbol liquidations, we're not seeing any Doge or Wozier right there. No, normally Doge is in the top line. So people are not leverage trading on the Doge. So I guess my Doge community is listening to the OG's videos when I say don't leverage trade, don't do it. It's not good, guys. But we're seeing the majority of the leverage trade positions right now at this point in time is all short. So we have about $720 million of CME futures that are going to expire, and a lot of those are puts, and I think it's around about 6% calls, and a balance 40% puts. So we're seeing that the short positions are outwinning the long positions. So that's good because that could bring some downward pressure onto the short sellers, that they're going to be losing their positions and they may have to buy back at a higher price. That could create a short squeeze, and that could definitely cause a Bitcoin to reverse the upside. So fear and greed is at 20. It's exactly where it was yesterday. So that's not too shabby, not too bad in-house. So from that perspective, let's remember this contrary indicator. Always do the opposite of what the herd is doing. So if the herd is selling, that means you should be buying, not financial advice. If the herd is buying, you should be selling. And this fear and greed index says that you guys should be buying and dollar cost average diamond hands and wait for life-changing generational wealth, guys. So $1 million, $1 million is $1 million, and that can have some really life-changing properties, right? Who wouldn't want to have $1 million, right? The value of $1 million is much less than what it was 20 years ago, but still, nonetheless, $1 million is $1 million. So if we take a look at Ethereum right now, Ethereum has been on fire all day today. It's doing pretty good. It's at $2,831, and if we keep this momentum, we could see ourselves easily getting up to 3,000. And we've gone back up into my upward trend line, so that is good because we broke down from that trend line right here. We hit some resistance at 2,700, and we got rejected once, twice, three times, and then finally we broke through it. So that is good. We broke through that today, yay, here in Asia time at around about 11 o'clock. So I did tell you around lunchtime that we are going to have a breakout to the upside. We absolutely did. And look at that. Exactly at 3 o'clock. You go back and watch my morning video. I did tell you exactly at 3 o'clock this was going to happen. And guess what? The OG has a crystal ball, and I called it 100% correct, guys. So if you're leverage trading, which I don't recommend you do that, you'd have made it sound. It's not financial advice. So we're seeing right now that a Phantom in the house is trading at $1.98, and that is just on the the bottom of this the support here. We've got a green support line about a 192 in the house. So it looks like Phantom is I was hoping that it would get some momentum, giddy on up, but it's just kind of stalling out here. And one of the reasons we're seeing the stall out is because the volumes are pretty low in the house, guys. On goals. So let's hope we can hold this support line. If not, then we could be seeing ourselves going down to $1.23 in a house. We don't want to see that. So it looks like also Solana was doing okay earlier. Let me just zoom that up. And it looks like that Solana did break down a little bit, and it is now just slightly above my support line at 103, and it's trading at 104.36. So if we can't hold that support line, we will go down. And but I'm not worried about Solana on the long term. Maybe in the short term it's not looking too good, but long term it's looking okay. And we're seeing right now the market cap is unchanged, and it's at 179 trillion. We're seeing the volumes are still pretty tight, and that's 47.83 billion. And we're still seeing a lot of the Asian traders are still out on the whole Chinese New Year. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy Year of the Tiger. Out there. Our Year of the Tiger, guys. So let's take a look at the coins in the house without any further delay, and let's get you through this video. So hopefully it's been helpful, and we're seeing right now that Bitcoin is up 4%. We are getting closer and closer. It's just dropped in front of me. Now we're down on 3.14%, but still we could attempt to blast past the $39,000 level. Ethereum is up 8%, so that's pretty good. Let's hope we can get ourselves up to $3,000. And BNB is up as well, up 3%. Solana is up, ADA is up. Solana is up on 8%. That's not too shabby in the house. Luna's up over 5%, so that's good for Luna. DOT is up over 5%. My Doji Woji it was up over 3%, 3.18%. Before about 2.5 hours ago. It's come down a little bit. So come on, Doge, hold your order, and let's not go down. Let's not go south. Let's go north. We want to see some change coming in for the Doge. And we're seeing Shibi Weebies breaking down to the upside, and it's at up 2.51%, but it's at 21, guys. Matic is doing pretty good. So we're seeing a bit of a mixed bag. We're seeing more green than red. But, this could easily take a reversal if the broader market's dump. So we got some earnings report. As I said, the big announcement that's coming out is we've got the unemployment that's coming out today as well. So let's keep an eye on that. If it's not so good, that could bring the whole markety marks down. Down. We have in Latin America a real estate leader, La Hoz. Okay, the Hoz. The Hoz, achieves its first home sale in Bitcoin. So it looks like the La Hoz is a Latin American real estate leader that is accepting Bitcoin to buy real estate. So that's pretty good. And then global blockchain funding grows by 700% year on year, surpassing 25 billion. So that's pretty bullish news. So we've got a lot of bullish news in the house, guys. So that is pretty good in the house. We also talked about this, so that's bullish. We talked about that. That's pretty bullish. So with that being said, guys, do go and follow me on my Twitter. We've got around about 3,853 followers. Follow, get the latest tricks, tips, and news. And you can DM me out on my Twitter, guys. Do that. I would appreciate it. And don't forget to show some love, and smash the like, subscribe, and do a super chat in the house. We appreciate it. Please jump on over to the jump into the wife's channel, and subscribe, guys, and show some love. And check out the merch, guys. Do it. And don't forget to go and check out the linky winkies of all of my videos. Become a Patreon member. Please do that. Buy the channel a coffee. My merch link is down there. Also, the link to the NFT collection is down there. So check it out. Check it out. Merch up, gear up with OG Gear. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Be blessed. Be well. Things are looking fantastical in the house, guys. You love it. I love it. Let's get it right now. God bless you. See you in the next one. Woo!